Sundowns dlala 5-0. High 1, high 2, high 3, high 4. 5. Coach ayithanda ukhala. That about interview. I don't know, man. we keep. Oh, come on, friend. We will fight for it. We will fight. We are fighters. No, not fighters. Nidliwe. Yeah. I don't know. Like Teko is a good player. But it's Chico. Nidliswa ile chicken is the player of Sundowns. I'm a fashion. I'm
going to play a song.
I'm on the Celtics. That's all.
Hello, family.
So what's your theatre this weekend? Today and tomorrow, right?
Today, tomorrow, Soweto Theatre. Myself, David Gao, one FJ Pogi, and some couple of guys. I might pop in tomorrow because today is in Cape Town. But it's going to be nice celebration. Tickets, I can be ticket. Get yours now. So you're
starting to sound like Edsel.
I'm glad Studio Mix is back.
Do expand. What are you talking about? I'm listening.
Yeah. The Studio Mix with time is here. Is that the says the news? Yeah. Never been charge about you know they're beautiful. But so you're gonna be a charge, bro, Bob.
Yes.
That's nice, Bob. That's nice. This week there was a rumor that Martin Lawrence died. It was a rumor because you know.
Yeah. Twitter.
But can you imagine a cast? But it was Skhumba Shonil. But it was Skhumba Shonil. A cast didn't take the rumors. They call you like, hey, Skhumba. Fair boy. Hey man, Zwil and Duana man. Rest in peace, I am. Rest in peace. So now and Duana so it's singing in Spanish. Hide boy, hide. They'll call you, but they know that you're dead. Like Duana Zwil and our boy. Zwil what the body is rest in peace. I must rest in peace. Rest in peace, boy. But God, rest in peace with Paul. Rest in
Oh my word. Jeez, man. Yeah, I'm going to be back on TV tomorrow, and that's the end of it.
We're not saying no middles.
Yes.
That's nice. 3 generations of like, yeah, you see, umandla mosha uthembi middle when I guess yes we tambo lakudala like yeah ufuna umuntu
lakho baba
ufuna umuntu
But you know what the funny thing is that when I went into the Big Brother houses, this is the first thing that Umandla said is he wants to meet Bob. And look at this, a year later, you're working together.
And the way to win mlomo bovu ngathi nje baleka nepaloni.
Bona phi nje baleka nepaloni.
Did you see the Ibn Jensen and Mbuyiseni and Dlozi interview?
No, the only thing I saw was like Mbuyiseni needs to go to the salon. Let's start there. Like before we talk about no. It does even take a bath and say look hey.
You can tell it takes a bath.
Like I don't take that guy serious. I'm serious.
Really?
I don't. I think already we have controversy. We have why do you wanna be like ufuna uba stepdaughter say stepdaughter? Like why lo mntwana afuna uba yi-1 nje umanje ubabeni uwest nje kwehle ubabeni uthi the statue adiwe uyavumbona uthi yeah is statue uthi imali wena iphi imali asinandaba nalento le umntana kabani umbuyiseni umntana kabani.
The ladies think he's hot, hey?
No, he is. Yes.
That's the deal. They think he's
hot. Sorry, hot. Sorry, Papa. Mangabe wena boy hot usase mild manje. Like Mbuyiseni yini?
I don't know, but guess what the ladies say?
Which ladies?
The one at the corner there, the yellow bone.
He is actually quite good looking.
He is good looking guy.
Everything. And he speaks well and he combs not comb. He's cute. He really is cute. I don't think he's a hunk. He's not common.
I don't know, we're getting complicated.
No.
He's not common, but he's really good looking.
I think umuntu right mina umuntu osexy uDJs ngoba uhlala phethe ikheni endaweni yakho. DJs uhlala phethe ikheni baby vukuza ethi tip. DJs must carry a can everywhere emncobeni but azokhuluma. Yeah, usistory ushonile but hey tip. Ignite your mind. Okay, check the pictures you see this book today. Carrying a can everywhere. Yeah, inside toilet. I'm not toilet paper. Tip. Bankoshila ngandaba kusalayo Thixo. He just doesn't care. He's carrying a can everywhere. Uphethe umuntu wakhe ba right. Baby ngiyakuthanda mana macala. Thixo. He just prep up. Okay, I'm lying. He's driving like, hey, baby, faku 3. Wamfakwa ngibhizi la. Uyazi sibala sayipusha yatala. Ngathi ngakhohlela kayiwana nje. Bese
Finished.
Angeke ngikhohlele Thixo. Safundisa abantwana. Una yonke into la mntwana unesinkwa, une toilet paper, une cold drink, une moto. La mntwana una yonke into shem yoba vula mathumntwana. Hey vukani. Thixo. Sifulela Thixo. Yongana ezulwini Abraham iza ngaphi uza kunjani uyangikhumbula yimi leyo ubani Thixo Yangidina sometimes awusakhona ukukhuluma into abamfona hey sibuda wala Skhumba fele makancane boy Thixo yeah bothini ntwana hayi bengashonisi bengithi hello all right boy shabne batshele kasi ngiyazwakala bo Thixo yangidina lapho yonke indawo you meet hey hi Sbu how is it hey how are you Sbu hey is Thixo yeah ngine metro ya bathi ngine interview lenzansi ya baya ngimangena nje phela hola hey shabula Thixo.
We are.
Do you take him serious, no problem? Hey, Bobby, bro.
He's hustling.
Yeah, we are a legend, bro. But I don't know why you didn't have your oral sale back then. Now, OTJ, Modim. I'm going to put your full song. Scramble that.
Thank you very much, team. It's been a fantastic week.
Can you imagine an energy drink? Yes, friend. I'm like it's no comfortable word. I ate it. No, umbala matoro. Modzimo wanga papa, no chabada matoro. Yes, friend. Even just modzimo wanga papa. My friend, I ate it. Modzimo wanga papa.